Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the Samsung Tab A, and we had an issue tonight. This is my daughter's tablet. So it had a PIN number, but now it's changed to enter password, and it says your password contains at least 4 characters and 1 letter, and we don't even know what the password is. It's not something we've set up. So what I'm gonna do so even if you hold this down and try and turn it off, it will ask for a password again. So we can't even turn it off. So I'm gonna press the volume down button and the power button at the same time until it reboots. I'm gonna press the volume up as soon as we see the screen. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna we can press the volume down and volume up to change. So you can go wipe data and factory reset. But I want to go to reboot system now and see if that fixes it. Alright, so we're back here again, and unfortunately I'm gonna have to wipe data and factory reset. And next time I will do the pattern password instead of the PIN number, so this doesn't happen again. This will be reset. Factory data reset, and yes.